Abuja King Kobe King to the Kobe, yes, my son be him said, I had a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the Porcupine Warriors, Kuma Pema, a Pembeba is the Mutumen fan Kofilo to Sawati see Africa Club of the Century, Ghana's most successful football club. Yes! And home come on and I babe can and nano pay and when him said it. We need Jehon the other press the subscribe button no track or corner or no we do say me as well my so the bear drop of video. Once I back out there, particular device be we used to be on the Mitchell. Yes, Yaban said the entrance. Kumasa Kotoko more announce the contract extension of Asante IFL Dan Lad Ibrahim. Now I will hold that Ubi him said Dan Lad no or we renew the contract, but now official announcement Kotoko ebeye inti and ne anopeya and on yes a particular announcement no in the person of Asante Dan Lad Ibrahim. I will renew 2-year deal at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, how much caption na amount of work and say, hey, you bit me a rapper. They say, hey, admire trad you bit me a rapper. Or say, it's a done deal. How it's done. It's a done deal for the lad Ibrahim who extends his stay for further 2 years. Asante ni dine fene Dan Lad no and I watch Dan no or the Dan no are represented DONE Dan. What I say? And we use lad no so they are my lad as in the correct word lad. And it's a done deal. Oh guy no I try my caption man I fair. It's a done deal for the lad Ibrahim who extends his stay for a further 2 years. Into the tell on Asante Dan Lad Ibrahim was signed 2-year deal at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Into wake about 7 no yen can go for Asante Kotoko on value Dan Lad Ibrahim Dan Lad Ibrahim Zizi Eric said Zizi ono ho Ernesto Poku Ernesto Sepoku ho Pele ho Puati ho Hwambim Mukwala ho Frederick Asare ho. So about 7 players in Kotoko are unveiling this particular window no. Hey Charlie, until Asante Dan Lad Ibrahim were extending the contract by 2 seasons. Now about 6 months per now the contract now baby and I extended. The old traffic channel the manager and I said yes the manager Ejina Hobby IFN no Asante Yusuf Chipsa no hobby into the channel no. Congratulations to Asante Dan Lad Ibrahim. Don't forget to say on the longest serving Kumasi Asante Kotoko player wo current squad we no obia wo hobby abeto no obia wo hobby on the usakete kran ekofa no and oda na 17 plans so ba na 20 and oda so that post ni mo and Dan Lad Ibrahim no that go brutal Asante nso Muntari Sule Muntari na kofo we from the press radio.com on Twitter and I'm going to say Kotoko assign Sule Muntari for 2 years. 2 years. And how long David Obenya Kobeka say me patch it's not true. David Obenya Koba no Beka say it is not true, please. The presser radio or someone I'm going to say Kotoko me assign Muntari for 2 years. Almost say Sule Muntari pens 2-year contract with Asante Kotoko. The press radio.com. I'm going to say 7. Hey, there are David Obenya ko obe tro to obe recruit o mo no tro say not true please. Internet say rumors in na dey akwa to nchen say hono enye ne kre Muntari mba Kotoko bia. But ultimately say there is something going on. Muntari person ba Kotoko and dey Canada. Muntari person ba Kotoko but nothing has been concluded on sign. In fact Kotoko they are not interested in the move. Kotoko don't want the player to come. What I say player like that na come no or person to me satisfy or ye be the shade man nyam but Kotoko who says see over as what Muntari won penis over that bench and no me problem on penis over that bench obe person obe bad you know what I say day in day out no person body nyina bi on sisi an why mere and no asem no mo person mo bebo Ghana Premier League na mo ntwen munya 40 years and some ba mo foreigners mo ba mo ye respect you and my mom trained 40 years. Mom bra moja kakra so mu am betimi abobon at least 35, 34, 36, 34, 35 no. Mo ba at that age na normal. But what mo train mo 37, 38, 39, 40 years and sana ma ba se mo luka bo. Ye nya ne sa obi ti sa jeman be say why ade ono say 31 or 32 years. Ne de na normal obetimi abebo luka bo no obetimi abof be actively be 2 seasons 3 seasons bi asa aka ho nti sa na yose moye no esa mo beka say yeah disrespect mo but yes sir football na be business mo buy bitua mo ka nti e buy ntimi ma mo metna wa sa keke nti dey tell no about Asante Muntari deal no David Obenya ko say enye no kwa bia eni sa deal nti mo amotete sa nsem mo muntungu na kumasa Asante Kotoko na hey fans ni bi ha dwun kumasa Asante Kotoko fans ni bi ha dwun pa it's a bit Asante be fe no Gen Lord Empire and I okocho Twitter say Picho come to Asante Kotoko. Picho, someone in Picho Musimani, South Africa coach na ne Elali kwaji Champions League twice so minu na or san call fan na almost recently ya no or a very good or a very good. Now or choice our target coach na coach no ba reply say Baba Yara Stadium in Ashanti region slaughterhouse. That's where I bought the magician Stephen Odro and the hard tackler Rashid Sumaila. Wow. Picho na ka say you Picho. Or say Baba Yara Stadium in Ashanti region slaughterhouse. That's where I bought the magician Stephen Odro and the hard tackler Rashid Sumaila. What? Oh, that's a Cairo Mudi. And the coach is some players be it's we a particular play that's a Cairo Mudi. In fact, when we are most even no draw, you can't say come to Kotoko no. A one hour no can say, what before Rashid needs a tiku was our club with a honor slaughterhouse. Baba Yara no picture describe Baba Yara as slaughterhouse. And I just said, no man conform, no man jegu. Because it's a Baba Yara yet, Hana, for conform Beshisha, it's our team ya Ibrahim Morokwe. I lad, but no, I be shame near the idea on. This year, slaughterhouse and some feel okay. I'll hear the name at Caspo Stadium, but Nancy and Bobo matches be now go for Baba Shane, rough for Baba Yara. This year, slaughterhouse didn't free ho, it's also from Brad Park. Be what I say, it's all because of the fans. Slaughterhouse now the fans in the mad near slaughterhouse. Oba was very shit. And the picture no. But Kotoko about so say honey slaughterhouse that Stephen Odro ne Rashid Sumaila no or Cairo mo papa the magician Stephen Odro. Hey, you say out to you for some person be training out to you for your from or say omo kan to muntu anya say out to you pa omo match training nem match na team bia she preseason na say out to you kwado munya she preseason na say entire rahosem out to you as a more prepare the grounds for relegation next season more prepare grounds for relegation this time when she preseason na say more train den munya na the also problem say mo bia mo solve na mo she preseason na say out to you na mre ni homa mo out to you amanfo ni abriu sama text signs bi omo ye ni so atremanfo no mo dem da so te wo Benjamin Afutu so yesi wakọ Saudi Arabia wakọ san ma team bi Al Takwadom bi e la say Benjamin Afutu wakọ san dia ma mo local club ya nti okọ Saudi Arabia Al Takwadom no say Asante Benjamin Afutu yen hwe local news kakra so enam na yen hwe de etie no Great Olympics yesi sisi de omo issue legal notice dia come head coach ano worker say me catch so mo hwehwe ano worker mu hu ano worker mpeso obeba training nti o issue legal notice dia koma no so mo hwe yi no brown reported to camp anya sadia dia yo ne febe any time so after bibie ni Gold Stars announce signing of goalkeeper Joseph Ba from 11 Wonders goalkeeper Joseph Ba wakwa pim e bibie ni Gold Stars o to answer no so Kotoko Royal announce signing of Wilson Kobina was coming to PM Kotoko Royals. Great Olympics are close to signing attacking midfielder Michael Yeboah in a permanent deal. 11 Wonders forward Abbas Ganiu set to join Samatex. 11 Wonders forward Abbas Ganiu set to join Samatex. And also news kakra and nam ayebobo boson kakra so de mamu. O transfer no so ex Dankwe backs calls for Muntari and Muntari to be in the Black Stars World Cup. Na branche Dankwe you say ebeya anka Muntari ni Muntari mon san tun san from no mkobo mo last World Cup. The tie no or na dwen Asante Kotoko sign Eric Zezi for 3 years. Yes, 2025. Yes, he is a former player of ASEC Mimosa. He didn't kanka san story no wahada da. and I ended so your mama story be about Asante Kotoko coach. Coach ye person ye signing on your friend Kamu Malo no, he was spotted. Asante Kotoko target for coaching job. Kamu Malo spotted at the office of AS Douane. Possible deal with Asante Kotoko. Na be sign and you say technical director role no na wakwako take it up. You be follow that story no about say either say Kamu Malu and pass wakwako sign them a different club because ye follow up no much say some picture in bar house no. Omo announce no one has announced him as a head coach of the club into the tenant year. That's what it flows that story now actually how I ever call. This year Legon City, so my catch they had to folks say Jonah Tukwe no, he's not for sale. Jonah Tukwe is not for sale. And Commodore Oluboy or the able to just say on my brand say I no Kasim Razak no, he's not for sale because player now show me say or bet Nana why extend contract. Even though I can 2 months pay. Or say player no uncle baby player na momo the assurance say or be extend contract no into mo hwe nim say player no be extend contract but mo nton no fa matim bia the Oluboy commando so e kan no ye hwe the sad story no e be ko Diana Stars person mo sign ash good midfielder IFN no Apia Makati bet Diana Stars in talks with Ash Gold midfielder Apia Makati, and I say GFA leadership and bet power to hold meeting over all 18 Premier League clubs on Thursday. Exclusive summer text 1996 close to securing loan deal for Heart-to-Folk defender James Seronu. Mediama initiate move for ex-Kotoko coach Dr. Ogum. Jeff Amunsi said the BSB has the more news to their Bremo for Porcupines by Porcupines.